I want to welcome you once again to the official launch of the Huawei IdeaHub S3 model. And going into the agenda, I would have actually put it on the board. However, we'll actually just skip that a little bit. So what we have next on our list is just an introduction, because the truth is that I'm actually seeing a lot of people for the first time. I know I've actually been reaching out via calls, via emails, trying to invite different companies for this event. So it's very important, we try to also put a face to the name, and we go from there.
My name is Guchuku, and I'm working with T2 Mobile.
T2 Mobile. Thanks a lot, Mr. Guchuku, for coming.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Dr. Nelson Madu, Coronation.
My name is Remy, Huawei IdeaHub.
Thank you, sir, for coming.
Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Tori Shajuobe. I'm the Senior Digital Growth Person at Pulse and Business Insider.
Thanks for coming.
My name is Stefan from Sale Legal.
Thank you, sir, for coming. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jonathan Favor I'm an IT consultant.
Thanks for coming.
Good morning, Michael Igwe. I work with the Niger category manager of procurement.
Thank you, Mr. Michael, for coming. My name is Sage.
My name is Chidi Moluku. I work with Energy, category manager for ICT.
Thank you, Mr. Chidi.
My name is Onfrey. I work with Guideline Assembly.
Thanks for coming.
Hi, good morning. My name is Timidayo. I work with Rena Limited.
Thanks, Renoy.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Goodness. I work with Raymond.
Well, thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ephraim Abodero. I'm an IT manager at Strand & Partners.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate that.
Good morning, everyone. I am Tariq Bello. I'm an IT project manager with Polaris Bank.
Polaris, thanks for coming.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Chinyaka Obianza. I work with Polaris Bank.
Thank you very much for coming. Decision maker right here, please, let's agree on one thing. Like I told you, Mr. Kayode, where is he? He already mentioned one of his expectations, and me, I have just one expectation, not plenty. I don't ask for too much. My expectation is that you're a decision maker right here. You're the MD of the company, CIO, head of IT. After these events, please call Mike, call Proxynet on the phone and say, Mike, please deliver 3 units of the IdeaHub S3 or the B3 or the S2, any of the models that are right here. If you're not a decision maker, you still need to report back to the management team. Please, let's schedule that call. Let's have that meeting. Invite us for a demo. That is the expectation I have. Please, do we have an agreement? We have an agreement, right? All right, thank you very much. All right, so let's go straight to the point, because I know most of you still need to get back to the office. I'll be calling a few people for this official event. Just to let you know, my MD, Mr. Edward Ifeanyi, was supposed to be here, but also because of unforeseen contingencies, he can't make it again, but he really wants to. He's sending his appreciation to everyone that have actually taken our time to be here. He was actually supposed to do the venue. However, I'll be calling on our HR, Miss Theodora, who will be also representing. Let's put your hands together for Miss Theodora as she comes out. Now, the second person I'm going to call to join us for this official unveiling is no other than Mr. Charles, all the way from Huawei. Mr. Charles. And Mr. Charles.
Hello, good afternoon. Morning, everyone.
Still morning.
Still morning. We just want to appreciate everyone for coming, going through the traffic, the weather. And we say we're very, very, very thankful. Gracing our events, being here today, we appreciate it. And we say thank you very much.
Good morning, distinguished partners and guests. I'm Charles. I'm the Huawei IdeaHub manager in Nigeria. At this moment, I want to speak directly to our partners at Huawei with beauty technologies. But you're the ones who keep alive in this market. Without your commitment, the best product just an idea. So we believe that our partner are not just simply a channel. You are the center of our strategy. So today, for this launch, we are proud of being a small part of it. And thank you for your time and your trust. Much appreciate. And also the Proxynet with the S3 launch, without, let's say, you have demonstrated the kind of the local expertise and reliability that matters. And thank you all of you guys today.
JESUN. I've not said S. S. Let's go. The official launch of the IdeaHub S3 model. Boom. Woo! Please put your hands together for Huawei for this innovative solution. So let's just turn it up. Let's hope the power is actually connected. Okay, so that is actually coming up. Thank you, Ms. Theodora. Thank you, Mr. Charles, for that. And without wasting much time, we'll be going straight into the presentation.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Michael. I'm head of ELM department of Nair, the company. Your product looks fantastic, and but you know you have a lot of competitors on the market.
Definitely.
I want to understand why I have to propose your device and give priority to your device in front of other products.
Whenever I speak to clients, aside from the technology being the technology, what I try to always position is support when it comes to enterprise solutions, right? A whole lot of RFPs in the market, of course, like you just mentioned. However, when it comes to the support level, OEM support, local support from the company itself, Proxynet Communications, it is top notch. I repeat, it is top notch. If we decide to take you on a presentation slide based on what Huawei is currently doing in the market in terms of supporting their partners, end users, in the market, it's mind-blowing. So one of the things you always need to consider from an enterprise standpoint is not because there's one company that went to import 30 units of an interactive flat panel in China. If you go to China, there's almost every street that manufacturing IFPs, right? However, you need to look at the credibility of the company. You also need to look at the support that they have if you have issues, because this is technology, of course, at the end of the day. So OEM support's very, very critical, and the local support from the solution provider. Okay, so quickly, we'll be going through what Proxynet Communication is all about. Information technology company, audiovisual and security provider. We are located in several countries, headquartered in Lagos, Nigeria. We also have a branch in Abuja. We're also in Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, and Kenya, and also Dubai. We've been in business for over 21 years, delivering cutting-edge IT solutions. And for us as a company, like I mentioned earlier, we are at the forefront of technology advancement because, we have strategic partnership with leading OEMs such as Huawei, such as Samsung, such as VBERT, and so many other solution providers to ensure that, we're bringing the best. We call ourselves an IT distribution company. It's more of an IT value-added distribution company. So we keep the stocks, we design the solution based on your specific needs, we implement, integrate, and then provide you with the after-sales support, which is, the icing on the cake. We basically provide communication solutions for both enterprise in general across all verticals, and we also have education-specific solutions.
My name is Shegun Aboderi. I'm from Consolidated Hallmark Insurance. It was a very good event and very thoughtful of Proxynet to have brought this together for various clients, those that are new and those that they've gotten already. I think it's a very good one. Yes, so my first experience with Huawei S3 was at GITEX conference last year. I saw the demo there, so I took the product back to my office. And eventually, it was at the point where we were trying to, revamp our infrastructure, the projector and some of the conferencing facilities that we had then. And this came handy for us. And, presentation to the management was seamless. And at the end of it, we got 3 units of this Huawei S3. Since we got to know Proxynet, it's been a very seamless relationship with Proxynet supporting our business. Also, the response time is actually very fantastic. And, when it comes to the commercial parts, even when we had an agreement that we were not going to pay until delivery, they agreed, supplied, and we paid upon delivery, which is a very good one for us.
I'm Goodness from Marine Limited. The event was great. Learned a lot about the Huawei IdeaHub S3. It's a really great product. It's a great company. Our company will also most likely work with them sometimes in the future. So,
Hello, my name is Michael Reichlin. I'm head of ELV and ICT department of Nairda company, which is a big MEP contractor in Nigeria. It was very interesting event with a very good presentation. I was impressed with new feature that I was not aware of this, like voice tracking and autocrop. Yes, autocrop. I had experience before with another brands of interactive screens. Looking forward for our collaboration. We has experience with Proxynet like 1 year ago with Logitech product. Actually, it was very good and very good experience. Everything was supplied on time, and we had a very good support, and we continue our cooperations.
I am Tariq Bello. I'm an IT project manager with Polaris Bank.
So how was your experience today at the event?
Okay, it was quite interesting. There were so many features that were presented that were quite impressive, and specifically some features that stood out were auto tracking, the sound tracking, and basically the AI features and capabilities that were presented were quite impressive. For my organization, Polaris Bank, I'm going to be taking back the feedback on how impressive this solution was, and possibly look forward to seeing how we could factor in utilizing such impressive features in our meeting presentations and our board interactions. Yeah, thank you. So Proxynet, to be sincere, before the engagement today, I have been conversant with Huawei, and, but during the engagement today, I got to understand that Proxynet are key partners, and beyond Huawei, they have quite a number of key organization or solution providers that they partner with. And the portfolio was quite impressive, and as I mentioned earlier, we look forward to possibly futuristic engagements with the team. Yeah.
Really appreciate it.